Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link up your bank account with Cash App. So what we are going to do is quickly go ahead and just log over here onto Cash App, and we are going to go ahead and kind of just get started with what you normally see mainly on screen, which is kind of this screen right here. You are going to see the number 0, you are going to see a bunch of numbers, the pay and request. So what we want to do is click on the bottom left side on the screen. You will either see a dollar amount if you have money in the account, or if you don't have, you are going to see a little picture of kind of like a bank. So in some way we are going to go ahead and click on that button right over here. Then you are going to see a couple of pieces of information, but the thing we want to do is go ahead and click on linked accounts. So we want to go ahead and click on there, and then what we are going to see is the options right over here where it says link credit card. Now for me, I already have a debit card, and I also already have a bank account linked up to this Cash App account. So if you don't have those things already, you are going to have the ability to go ahead and link up those options as well for you, and that's how you are going to go ahead and add a bank account or credit card or even a debit card onto your Cash App account. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.